Production of the iconic Porsche 911 supercar, including its newest version, 992.2, continues to be concentrated at the iconic Stuttgart-Zuffenhausen facility, where sports cars have been assembled for over 60 decades. The Zuffenhausen factory remains the heart of the brand, organically combining centuries-old traditions of manual craftsmanship with advanced digital solutions. The scale of the modernization is evidenced by Porsche's multi-billion-dollar investments over the past 10 years. A significant part of the funds, about 700 to 800 million euros, went to transform the site into a smart factory for the production of the Taycan electric car. An additional 250 million euros were allocated to upgrade the line of two-door sports cars, which made it possible to integrate the production of gasoline models, hybrid versions of the 911 GTS, and promising electric versions of the 718 on a single conveyor. Another 300 million euros were spent on the expansion of the territory, the construction of a new engine shop, and a training center. The acquisition of adjacent land has made it possible to more than double the total area of the plant to an impressive 614,000 square meters, reflecting the company's strategic focus on growing production capacity. The complete cycle of creating a single Porsche 911 takes about 48 hours and includes 5 consecutive stages. The starting point is the body shop, where a combination of aluminum and high-strength steel forms the basis of the car. Robotic complexes connect elements with jewelry precision using laser welding. Next, the body gets to the paint shop, one of the longest stages involving phosphate anti-corrosion treatment, multi-layer priming, application of paint, and protective varnish. Coating quality control is carried out by both automated systems and specialists who inspect the body in a special light tunnel. At the same time, Boxer 6-cylinder engines are assembled manually and using high-precision equipment in the engine shop, as well as hybrid power plants for the GTS version and specialized engines for track models like the GT3 Cup. Special attention is paid to interior decoration. In the sewing workshop, craftsmen manually cut and sew leather, form upholstery elements for seats, panels, and doors, realizing the individual wishes of customers and maintaining the brand's reputation in the premium luxury segment. At the final stage, the body, which is moved around the workshop on unmanned platforms, AGVs, undergoes a key operation, the so-called wetting, when the engine, transmission, and suspension are mounted to it. The transition to AGV systems made it possible to flexibly combine the assembly of various modifications on one line. The process is completed with a strict quality audit. Each car is tested for tightness, electronic systems are calibrated, and performance is checked at a power stand, ensuring compliance with the high standards of Porsche.